Lazy boy. Once upon a time, there lived a boy whose name was Rahul. He was very lazy. His father and mother were very upset, and all the villagers were also upset with his bad habits. Whenever he goes to school, he is late every day because, in the evening he plays a lot, and at night he sleeps very late, so he cannot wake up early in the morning. When he comes back from school, he throws his bag and dress here and there, and starts watching TV. He disturbs all the villagers, and every time, the villagers would complain to Rahul's father about his naughtiness, and his parents would try to advise him to be a good boy. But he will not listen. Once, at Rahul's school there was a parents-teacher meeting, so his parents went to his school. They were waiting for their turn to meet his teacher and inquire about his progress at school. Soon, they got the chance to have a word with the teacher. But even his teacher complained about Rahul's behavior, and told them that he disturbs the class, and never listens to anyone. Rahul's parents were very sad, and disappointed that their son never listens to anyone. His teachers were also trying to make him a good boy, but all their efforts were futile. One day, he reached his school late as usual, but he decided that he will change from now on. So for completing his work, he decided to take his friend's Tofu's notebook. After completing the notebook, he wanted to return it, but Tofu did not come to school the next day. So, he went to Tofu's home with his father, but there, he saw something that changed him completely. Tofu's room was neat and tidy, and he did his homework on time. He also helped his father and mother, and only after taking permission from his parents did he go out for playing. Rahul's father told him that this is how a child should be, and he realized that, if my friend can be a good boy, so can I, and then, he decided to change. All villagers were excited to see the changed Rahul. And from that day, he used to complete his work on time, and used to eat on time, and sleep on time, and after that day, he was not a lazy boy anymore. Rahul's mother and father were also very happy to see that their boy, who was once so lazy, has now become a good boy who helps them also. And now he respected all elders, and started to behave properly. Rahul thanked his friend Tofu for bringing this change in him. Moral: we have to do our work on time, and should help each other. And we should not be a bad person, and should always listen to our teachers and parents. For more videos, subscribe and like my